Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change icon and text on Shopify. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is just head over into their preferences. Now under these preferences, you can change the homepage title. So for example, let's name it Home Tiara. And then in here, you can put in here the meta description, wherein you can just put in here a description of your store in here. Now, once you have done that, you can just choose the social sharing image right here. We can add this right there. Then you can also connect your Google Analytics as well as the Facebook Pixel as well as the password protection. So from there, click on Save. So this is the first step. The next thing you need to do is you just need to head over in here to your online store. And then from in there, scroll down and click on Customize. Now, this will open the Shopify editor for you. So what we can do is you can actually just head over and click on this theme settings right here, which is the second icon. Now on this theme settings, we have here a lot of settings, right? So what we can do is we can focus on our logo right here, click on select image right here, and you can select the logo that you want added to your actual site right there. So for example, I added this picture of a hat. It will change into a picture of hat on my logo right there. So you can also change the desktop logo width as well as your favicon image. So under that, you can also choose in here the actual color scheme of your overall settings, as well as the typography. So in here, you can choose the actual font for everyone. So for example, for this one, let's choose the font for a real fact days. So after that, click on select. And in just a few seconds, it will actually change into that specific font. So in there, you can also see the layout. And under the layout right here, you should be able to see in here some page width, grid, and also the animations right here, as well as the buttons that they have in there. So you can see a lot of things on the theme settings right here. So just head over and then just select out a few, edit out a few, and you're good to go. So after that, click on save. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because this helps me reach more people. See you soon.